Sorry about that. I'm going to show you how I started up my LG 6000 BTU window air conditioner since it has been a very long time. Anyways, let me go ahead and plug it in. Unplug the separator because the extraction man tell me not to use my extension cord for my air conditioner. Alright, press reset. There we go. It's beeping, so you know it's receiving power. So let's turn it on. Power. You can hear the water splashing down on the condenser fan blade. Let's see. So start. Nope. That's why it's on energy saver mode. I'll turn all the features off to save my electric bill. But anyways, let me go ahead and turn on the compressor real quick. My mom telling me that pressing the buttons over and over can break it, so I need to be careful. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, I should start in just a second here. There it goes. You can hear the refrigerant hissing. Hear that compressor. It's getting ice cold. Almost. There's a bug in here. You can hear the compressor. Yeah. There's some ice building up from the evaporator. Alright. Sounds good. Yep. You hear that compressor? Nice and cold, right, Daddy? I set on 75. Alright, I'm just keep pressing the down arrow until they hear the compressor kick on. That's ice cold. Man, that's really, really cold. Oh man, that's so cold. That. Alright. I don't know, you can hear the Freon or the refrigerator going through the lines. You can see all the ice gets into it. All that ice. All that refrigerator makes it nice and cold, isn't it? You can feel it. Man, that's ice cold. It's getting nice and cold. Man, that's freezing cold. You can feel it. But really ice cold. You feel it? How cold does it get? Put it up to 70, right, Dad? I know. Feels really good. Y'all hear that compressor noise? That's getting ice cold. That's getting icy cold. You feel it? Alright. Alright. Oh, gee. Oh, gee, Daddy. LG, Daddy.
Favorite LG?
LG makes the best window air conditioners in the market. What? I know. I'm gonna say it's ice cold. I'm gonna tell you guys that LG makes the best air conditioners in the market. Right, Dad? Man, that's getting really, really cold. Really freezing almost. Well, not really. I set it until you hear the compressor, but I didn't make it go all the way down, but because I don't want to get too freezing in here. But anyways, this is my LG 6000 BTU air conditioner. It has a GMCC rotary compressor in it. Man, it's getting nice cold. You can feel it. Yep. You can hear the, I don't know, you can hear the, refrigerant lines going into, oh, it just shut off. You know, Daddy, it shut off, you hear it? You know why? Once it gets down to 75, when you set at 75, it shuts down.
Okay.
Right? So, Daddy. So, whatever, when it's set at 70, once it gets below 70, it shuts off, right, Daddy? That's how it works. LG, right, Daddy? Right? And it just shut off because it's an energy saver mode. LG, right, Daddy? Who knows a lot about my LG air conditioner? I've been knowing how to fix those, right, Daddy? How many screws does it have? A lot? Ton of them? Like 20 screws, I believe. That's really cool. Alright, that was my LG air conditioner.